Welcome to day 14 of our HTML Mastery course 2026, and today we are going to learn about HTML entities and special characters. These entities allow us to display symbols and characters that either have a special meaning in HTML or not available directly on the keyboard or need to be displayed constantly across all browsers. So HTML entities are commonly used for copyright symbol, currency symbol, reserved HTML characters, mathematical symbols, special punctuation and icons. So understanding entities is important because they help us create professional, standard compliant and error-free web page. So why HTML entities matter? Imagine you want to display the less than symbol on a web page. HTML may interrupt it as the start of an HTML tag. So instead of display, it has a text. Similarly, symbol such as copyright, registration, trademark, and then currency symbol may not display correctly. Proper HTML entities are not used. So HTML entities solve this problem by converting special characters into SF, browser readable codes. Some real-world uses of HTML entities. HTML entities are widely used in website footers, e-commerce stores, online invoices, blog tutorials, documentation websites, financial dashboards, and educational platforms. So in today's topics, copyright symbol, currency symbol, and reserved characters. Let's learn about copyright symbol. HTML copyright symbol are special character used to display a legal ownership and trademark information on a web page. Instead of typing special symbol directly, HTML entities ensure the symbols display correctly on all browser and devices. So why use copyright entities? Cross-browser compatibility, professional website footers, protect brand identity, and display a special symbol correctly. So here is the example. Add copy. This symbol is used to display the copyright symbol. Then this is used for the display the registered trademark symbol, and @% trade display the trademark symbol. So these symbols are commonly used in website footers, company information, and brand protection notice. And my website all right reserved. Let's learn about currency symbol. Currency symbol are a special HTML entities used to display money related symbols on website that help represent the prices and financial information correctly. So why use the currency entities? Display international currencies, useful in e-commerce websites, improve readability, and work constantly across browser. So let's take the example. So $8 dollar, it's display the dollar symbol currency, and then at the euro, this icon display the euro symbol. $8 pound, it display the pound symbol, and then $8 yuan display the yuan symbol currency. So these entities are commonly used in online store, invoices, payment system, and financial dashboard. So let's run in a browser. So here is the laptop price, $1200. Here is the pound price is euro 850, and then the headphone price is pound 150, and here is the gaming console price is yuan 60,000. So these entities are commonly used in online store, invoices, payment systems, and financial dashboard. Let's learn about reserved characters. Reserved characters are symbols that have a special meaning in HTML syntax because HTML use these characters internally. They must be written as entities when displayed on a web page. So why use the reserved character entities? Prevent HTML errors, display code example safely, maintain a valid HTML structure, and improve website reliability. So let's take the example. $LT display the less than icon, less than, and then $GT display the greater than symbol, and then $AMP display the $8% icon, and then $QUOT display the double quotation, and OPOS display the single quotation. So let's run in a browser. So here is the less than icon, then the greater than icon, ampersand icon, and double quotes, and then the single quote. These entities are especially useful when displaying HTML code snaps, tutorials, and documentation pages. So today we learned copyright symbols, currency symbols, reserved characters. So HTML entities allow us to safely display a special character and symbol that may otherwise be interpreted as HTML code. They improve compatibility, readability, and ensure your web page render correctly across all browsers.